the IPL season, and I myself have a bit of the IPL fever. I have the Mumbai Indians practicing right behind me, but it's not exactly cricket that we are here to talk about. It's the technology that goes on behind the matches. So let's find out what that exactly is. Cricket may look very easy, but it's actually a whole new ball game behind the scenes. With us is performance analyst from Mumbai Indians, Dhananjay, who will tell us what it's all about. So Dhananjay, I see you have some really crazy gear out here. So what is it that you exactly do in video analysis?
It isn't crazy, it's kind of simple stuff that is used for video analysis on a broader concept is on tracking of players on a daily basis to ensure that that small changes that creep into their techniques is shown to the coach and monitored properly. In terms of we collect information and convert that information into intelligence. Okay. So every player in the world is tracked with regard to information on any IPL player, for example, where we analyze IPL oppositions for the Mumbai Indians and we give them a perspective of what is in store for them, and it is a great tool for the coach to have.
Okay, so you have some pretty fancy gear out here. So like you have a 360 camcorder attached to a laptop. So how does this exactly work?
What we do is we go ball by ball into the game and see what's happening every ball. And obviously software like a 2020 Pro here that I'm showing you picks up information with regard to where the runs are being scored, what's happening, what are the key performance indicators of a game, and for the coaches to pick up quickly. And
so whatever you shoot from there gets captured immediately out here and you can analyze it there and then?
Yes, and because there's one more laptop, like you see the laptop on the second is connected for the coaches to have a look and for the players to have a look right away. And it also gives you trends and patterns on how the game is moving and what is to be done in terms of a decision-making thing, and that's the way it works.
Okay, so you obviously pass on all this information to the coach, but I see you have some other fancy equipment out there. You have an iPod, you have a PSP. Is that how you give all this information to the player?
Well, yeah, to an extent, yes. I mean, basically, it's just to serve information in a form and fashion, where the probability of my information reaching to the player is very high. The idea is that end of the day, the information reaches the player rather than the player coming to me for information, or the information is reaching the coach directly rather than he coming in search of the information. So that the quest is to make the information reach them.
All right, Dhananjay, this is some really great work you're doing. It was great meeting you then.
Thank you very much.
To find out more about how technology affects all aspects of cricket, buy the April issue of Chill. Here with Mr. Shekhar, who is the director of cricket for Mumbai Indians. So we saw a lot of data being captured upstairs and everything. How does that communicate it to the player at the end of the day?
See, basically the visuals stay in your mind always. Yes. And I've been using this for the last 10 years in my coaching, more than 10 years. I was the first fellow to use video since 1988. Those days it was VCR and a tape. Yeah. But once this IT came into play, I think I started using the Silicon Coach, which gives totally a different perspective to coaching. Because you can always forward and rewind the bowler's action. You can always find where exactly his mistakes are coming. And then you can create a library of his bowling. In a month, we can make him bowl 10, 12 times, all 10, 12 times we can video film and then record it in the software, and then you can compare the first day to the fourth day to the 10th day to the last day. So many things, and then you can always measure those angles. Suppose now that so many bowlers action coming becoming a bit suspect, so you can always measure those angles, so that if you change those small movements, then it gives them more efficiency. Coaching part of it, I think this information technology is a great boon. You can use this information technology for various applications.
So, I mean, like with all this data on your side and everything, since you've analyzed so many matches, you've actually seen how players are going to be batting or something. You can analyze that and how they'll be performing in the next match. Yeah. How much of a surprise element is still there for you or the players in the next match?
One surprise element is nobody is able to figure out how they have to tie down Sachin.
Okay.
In spite of all these things, Sachin is one player you can make everybody look like a fool because he's a genius. But most, because Sachin is, to me, Sachin is one in a century.
So how does it really look for Mumbai Indians this IPL season?
Yeah, we have worked really hard in the last 3 weeks, and then we have really worked on the bowlers and the batsmen a lot. I think this year we should put up a much better performance.
Excellent, excellent. Really looking forward to this.
Really keeping my fingers crossed.
So am I, so am
Thanks.
I. This is Gagan Gupta for Tech2.